Hey, what's up guys, we are back with new video. So in this video I will tell about the Nothing Phone 1 pre-order pass refund. How will you get refund in your account back? Like if you have purchased the Nothing Phone pre-order pass and if you don't want to purchase the Nothing Phone 1 from the Flipkart or another method, like in other countries there are several other methods, like they are ordering from the Nothing website online, and in India you are ordering from like Flipkart. So in Flipkart there is a pre-order pass available for 1 lakh rupees, but if you get an invite only code, the pre-order pass will be available for 2000 rupees. So many users are getting right now invite code, and I have also received 2 codes till now. I have purchased 1 pre-order pass for purchasing Nothing Phone 1. So let's head out to Nothing Phone official website, what they are telling about how to get refund on Flipkart. Let's head to the Nothing India official website and then click on home button of Nothing. Like we have to click on, I have clicked on Nothing logo, then it have loaded the page. You need to scroll down and click on learn more on this Nothing Phone 1 page, and you have to look for privacy policy. When you click on privacy policy page, just click on legal arrow button and you need to find pre-order refundable deposit agreement in India. So you have to click on that. You will find a pre-order refundable deposit agreement that is for India. So you need to scroll down and look for like one statement. For your pre-order refund amount, you should contact Flipkart support and Flipkart policy on return, refund, cancellation, terms of use and other applicable policies. Here Nothing is telling that you need to contact Flipkart's customer care or else you need to manually go in your my orders and request for cancellation of this pre-order pass, and then you will get your amount in your account back. Like if you are done a payment through a UPI or net banking or from debit card, you will get the amount revert back to your account or debit card or from UPI. So this is the process for that refund thing. And also I have confirmed from the Flipkart customer care that you will get refund to your respective payment method. So I have made a video on that on another channel that is based on Hindi language. So this channel will be the specific for English, so that's why I made a separate video for this, and you can watch that video also by searching Nothing Phone 1 pre-order pass customer care recording. So if you have any query, you can comment down below and I will solve that immediately by replying you, or I will make another video. So let's wait for the Nothing Phone 1 to get launched and get hands on the Nothing Phone, and I will make a separate video like review videos, and more things are going to come up on this channel. So make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video. If you like it, share it and comment down below. See you in next one. Till then, tata, bye bye.
This the new wave, turn it up. I'm in the backseat chilling with your girl, what's up? She wanna talk all day, but I'm not in the mood. I'm trying to dance all night, I got something to do. I make hits for the people at home.